Okay, I am not dressed appropriately with a gym shirt and dog hair all over me, but I think I'm in the frame. In the frame? You can see the Big Shot anyway, or not Big Shot, but the Stampin' cut and emboss machine. So there is a screw and a little washer and an Allen wrench along with your handle, and there's a quick start guide. So I thought I'd show you really quick how to do this. So it says position your handle in the machine, and there's a little plastic thing. I don't know that it tells you to take that off, but there's a little plastic thing. How does this go on here? Okay, so I don't know if you saw, I had to kind of position and wiggle it to get it to go on right. And then I need longer fingers than I have. There we go. And your little Allen wrench. You just tighten it. Come on. And so then I'm just going to hold the handle, and I might switch here for a little more leverage. Just going to tighten it. Take out the wrench. I'm going to put it back in its little baggie, and then I'll put it in my desk drawer so that if I ever need to take the handle off for some reason, I will have it, and I'll probably write on a marker what it is. And then there's just a little silicone cap, and you just put that on there, and you're ready to go.